Hi, and welcome to our Modelogix how-to video series. This video is on cost indexes, or cost indices. To get there, we click on Home, Setup, and Cost Indices. In this example, you can see we have two set up, an ENR time-based index and an RS means city cost index. As a user, you can view all of the cost index factors. As an admin, you can edit, add, delete cost indexes, import cost indexes. You can use your own company-specific inflationary and location factors. And the reason you would do this would be to normalize the data so that if you had one estimate from 5 years ago and another from last year, and you wanted to use those to generate a model, you would factor that so that it would normalize and reflect roughly current costs. First, let's see how to edit an existing index. So if we click on the ENR time-based index and scroll to the bottom, you can see this is set up as a monthly factor. We could click in here, add a factor, and it could be a future one if you wanted to project that out. You can see too that I've used the total column. However, you can factor it based on the 6 different cost category types that are typically in WinEst estimate. So you've got labor, materials, subcontractor, equipment, other, and user. You can also factor based on location. And you can see in here that I've used an RS means city cost index. And it gives you location factors. You can import from a text file if you have that available. You click import from external source, and it would walk you through the process of importing from an Excel file. You can purchase indexes, for example, the ENR index or the Turner index. They're both supplied, and you can contact either ENR or Turner to get those time-based indexes. Or if you're interested in a location index, you may have your own. You may be able to get it off a government website. Possibly you can purchase it from RS means. Many people have their own inflationary factors based on past company data, and very often they prefer to use those. So finally, let's take a look and see where the indexes are turned on or off for a particular model. So I'm going to go over to the models here, click on the Palo Alto Medical Center demo model here. You can see I've set a cost index location, and it's for California, Palo Alto. If I look in the spreadsheet, you can see that each one of these has been adjusted and is using the ENR time-based index and the RS means city cost index, adjusting from Portland, for example, to California, Palo Alto. And if you look over on the right here under calculations, this is where the activated indexes display. You can check these on or off depending on whether you want to include or not include it in a model. And that is basically how cost indexes work in Modelogix. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.